I made a video showing you how to get into this area that I'm in right now. And so basically what you're going to do is just link in the description, if I can even figure that out, how to do that, because I'm a new YouTuber. So basically what we're going to do is just sit and wait here, and there is some things to do, like if you get bored. Now, it's going to stop right about... Wait. Should start now. Okay, so it's possible that you can make it up here, but it's a very slim chance. So, just gonna go on this rope here, and then boom. Dang it. Okay, no. And then, so just open this chest. It is 2,000, but there is a reason to get it. I don't really like the shirt, but it's your opinion. Now, here was the other way I could have gone. So, the other way I could have gone was basically get out, go to one of those mouse holes, and then try to get to this area, and then just climb inside, and then boom, it'll be waiting for you. And that's it for today, and hope you enjoyed the video.